Yes, good day, forex traders. I want us to talk about this structure here. Let's quickly analyze this market. Let's take, maybe you want to trade, you are a breakout trader, right? And then you put and you tweak these lines and you put them like this, and then you put them like this here, right? And then when the market comes here, right, it shows you that it's broken out of the structure, right? And then you go long, you put your buy position, but then what the market does eventually is that it comes back inside and it hits your stop, comes back outside, and then maybe you buy for the second time and then comes again, and it eventually does what? It hits your stop loss again, right? What you do with your structure is that you evolve with your structure, right? This is the new structure now. You evolve with the structure. Okay, right. Now you have a new structure. You extend it. Okay, you extend it. Okay, never mind this, because this was a fake out. This is where price bounces off. Okay, as you can see, you extend it. Okay, now price comes back again, and then it breaks out, goes towards the upside, and then you enter here, and then it comes back down, and then it hits your stop loss, right? Comes back again, and it keeps hitting your stop loss. Now right now, when it comes to price action, if we look at the structure here, the structure was never really broken, this one. So it means that the sellers still have the power to bring this market towards the downside. For instance, a breakout of a trade, it doesn't mean that the market will move towards the upside. What it simply means is that it has to move out of this kind of like a level here, come back and retest before it can shoot towards the upside. Okay, what you do again is that you tweak your levels, and then you tweak your levels like that, and then market breaks out, you come in again, and then it comes back, it hits your stop losses again, right? Okay, and then what you do, you tweak your levels again, you come back and put it like this, and then now you have a bigger structure, a stronger structure, right? You tweak your levels. Bear in mind, this thing, it keeps on evolving, and then now it breaks the structure, and then it eventually moves towards the upside. Probably you enter here, and then you make some money, right? As you can see, the market moves towards the upside, right? Okay, now we're coming back to the structure again. Look at this. And I want you to believe me when I tell you this, man. And there's a lot of people who bought here, who are hoping that the market will move towards the upside. But if we look at in logical terms, this is where the market starts. Because that's the big wave, and then it trickles down, creates some kind of like resistance here, and then it comes back, and then it breaks out, showing you that it's breaking out. But then you can see that the market, what it wants to do is actually it wants to expand like this, something like that, right? The market will never respect something like this, never. Something like this, it will never respect it. It has to respect something of this nature. Okay, so with this trade, some people are seeing a breakout. Remember that we're going against the retail traders. What we will do is that we will actually try to sell this market, right? We're gonna try and short this market. It's gonna be risking okay, yeah, something like this, because this is an overall buy market. It's gonna buy eventually, but yeah, same applies with GBPJPY, guys. As you can see, the market breaks out, a lot of people come in and open their orders here. They short the market hoping that it will go towards the downside, that they put their take profit somewhere around here. But that's not really the case with the market. It's not. In most cases it's not, because if you must always look left, right? You must always look towards the left side of the market, as you can see. You must also consider these areas here. They are very, very much vital. These areas are very, very vital. And then you remember the GBPJPY pair that we bought. Look at what happened. You see what happens? The market buys even higher, reaching these levels as a take profit point, hitting the stop losses around these areas of those who already sold there, as you can see. Because guys, if you've been trading long enough, you must know that the market likes to expand its lines this way. When you think it's breaking out genuinely, the market is purely just expanding its lines. It's expanding its lines, you see? It's expanding its lines. Same applies with this pair. Same applies with this pair. This is purely just market expansion. Like I said, the market is trying to expand its lines. This is very much invalid. It's not gonna go towards the downside, because people now are saying, hey, here's a head and shoulders pattern. Yeah, it is a head and shoulders pattern, but let's think about it. The market is trying to expand so that it can hit more stop losses. Okay, as you guys can see, yes, this is where I'm telling the group to actually this is where I actually tell the guys to buy GJ. You see, in my group I tell them to buy GBPJPY, and this was it. We also came here. You guys can see we are going to the New York overlap with the London session right now, which is the full. Yes, and moving on. As you can see there, I'm loving GJ. GJ is moving. You can clearly see from the video. I need you guys to learn this thing on market expansions and everything. Take your time. The video is not that clear, but you can still see. Yes, so this is my group, guys. Okay, but then it's called becoming part of the 5%. So we basically move with the market makers. We identify stop loss hunts, and then we actually move with the market. But to discuss this in more depth, you're gonna have to actually hit that like button and actually subscribe, to actually get more content like this here. So thank you very much. Cheers.